Hello students, this is Solo Chem Lab. On the board is a UTME problem, a 2021 UTME problem to be solved. The problem goes this way. We are given an equation, a redox equation to be solved. The redox equation has potassium iodide reacting with iron 3 tetraoxosulfate 6 to produce iodine and potassium tetraoxosulfate 6 as well as iron 2 tetraoxosulfate 6. And so we are told in the equation above, the substance that is reduced is, which substance is reduced? Some options are given and your work is to choose the correct option. How do you choose the correct option? Look at the solution of the problem on the board. We have picked this redox equation. Remember, redox, reduction reaction, and oxidation reaction put together are called redox reactions. And so we have decided to split this redox equation into two so that we have an oxidation equation and a reduction equation. In the oxidation equation, or oxidation half reaction, we have potassium iodide, which is this compound here. It is changed into neutral iodine. What is the oxidation number of iodine on the left hand side? Can you see -1 written there? That is the oxidation number of iodine on the reactant side. What about on the product side? What's the oxidation number of iodine? Remember, when an element is not combined with another element, its oxidation number is 0, as I've indicated here. Is this iodine combined with any other element on the product side? No. Therefore, its oxidation number here is 0. What about on the reactant side? Is it combined with any other element? Yes, it is combined with potassium. The oxidation number of potassium is +1, and so the oxidation number of iodine is -1. What has happened to iodine? How has the oxidation number of iodine changed in this reaction? It has changed from -1 to 0. According to the number line in your JSS form mathematics, from -1 to 0, is that an increase or a decrease? Is it going up or coming down? From -1 to 0. What is happening to it? The number is going up from -1 to 0. Now, when the charge of an element in a redox reaction goes up, is that a reduction or an oxidation? It is an oxidation. Do you understand? The species which is oxidized, the species whose oxidation number increases, is called a reducing agent. Do you understand? So iodine is oxidized, therefore it must be a reducing agent. That's the oxidation half equation. What about the next equation, which is the reduction half equation? We are working with this compound here, which is changed to this other compound. Remember, this is here and it has been changed to this on the product side. What is the charge of iron here? Do you remember in your junior secondary when you were introduced to IUPAC names of compounds? What's the IUPAC name of this compound here? I have split it into two. From here we get iron 3 ions, and we also get SO4 2-. If here is iron 3 ions, the IUPAC name of this compound is iron 3 tetraoxosulfate 6. Again, iron 3 tetraoxosulfate 6. What does that mean? It means that the charge of the element iron in this compound is +3, and that is what I've indicated here, +3. Then on the product side, where we have FeSO4. FeSO4. What is the charge of iron in this compound? The charge of iron is +2. Because the IUPAC name of this compound is iron 2 tetraoxosulfate 6. Iron 2 tetraoxosulfate 6. What then has happened to the oxidation number of iron in this compound? According to your JSS1 mathematics number line, from +3 to +2, is it going up or coming down? It's coming down. And whenever the oxidation number of a species in a reaction comes down, are we going to call it reduction or oxidation? Reduction. Now that species which is reduced must be an oxidizing agent. It must be what? An oxidizing agent. Then we'll go back to this question, this problem. The substance that is reduced, we are not picking this. Sulfur is not reduced, potassium is not reduced, we are not picking it. Nothing has happened to sulfur and potassium in this equation. The correct option is between iron and iodine. Which of the two is reduced? Did you notice that iron moved from +3 to +2 oxidation number? Therefore, the correct option is iron. Iron is reduced. But what if in your own exam, you are now asked which substance is oxidized? Which option are you going to choose then? Iodine is oxidized. Do you understand? Do you have any question? Do not forget to drop the question at the comments area so that in our subsequent classes we'll look at the problem. Thank you.